When you think of a PA trout stream, that is what you see. Wow.
Probably epic.
But I'm thinking we go down there, that deep water right before the cut.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the zone. Ooh, that is cold. There we go, guys. Fish on. Fish on, Jack. Yeah. Jack, it's a brook trout. That's my biggest brook trout ever. Look
Look at that, it's gorgeous.
Oh my god.
It's incredible. Look at this trout. Beautiful, beautiful brook trout here. He's even got that little kite jaw. That's amazing. Oh. Okay, we're gonna get him back. Thanks for the fight, little guy.
Off he goes. He's just gonna hold up under here and recover. Dude, yes!
That's my biggest brook trout ever.
That's so sick.
That's awesome. That is so awesome. Yeah, buddy. Woo. All right, off to a fire start. Holy cow. I haven't even shot an intro or anything.
That was what, 10 minutes?
If that, yeah. I mean, I see at least 2 other fish sitting in here, but basically Jack and I just decided to do like a little camping trip to PA. I've been here to Ohiopyle before, fished this creek a little further down, and yeah, we are already into my biggest brook trout ever, and hopefully a few more trout, maybe get Jack on his first. This is awesome.
You guys see that snake? Look at them go, dude, they're so cool. Kind of freaky too. There we go, Jack. You're good, you're good. I'll set it up on the tripod, you're good. Oh, he's gone. No.
Guys, second fish of the day. Beautiful little brown trout. Just perfect colors on him. We're gonna let him go. Get it back in.
Woo. No. Alright, here we go. Nice little brown trout. Off he goes. Yeah.
Beautiful brook trout. Another one. Alright, so this is super cool, guys, but Jack had an incredible spot. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I think you can barely, but there's a Palomino rainbow under there. Looks like it's about 14, 15 inches long. And it's just a strip of gold up under that rock. I have no idea how I'm going to try and catch it, but gosh darn it, I'm going to try.
Let's watch live action, see if it happens. He wants it so bad. He wants it so bad. For good reason. Look at that. Oh. That's it for now. Over and out.
Out around. And then I just got to with the net. I just want to see its colors. I want to see its colors really bad. Please, come over here. Please.
Jack, my man, it's over. At this point, we gotta respect the fish. He won this battle. There's nothing we can do. You know, it's just time we roll out and we set our sights on different waters. Let's go set the hammocks up somewhere. Take a relax, enjoy life. What do you say? Over. Yeah, how do you copy if I have my thingy mounted here? Over. Holy wait, no, not over. I'm not done. There's another Palomino. I'm not over. I'm not over. I'm not done. It's over here. It's here.